Welcome. Just want to show you how you can use the bamboo towel, kitchen towel that comes with the ionizer to not use dishwashing liquid. In this case, you do need to wash it by hand. This pot was very oily, so I used hot water. But don't burn yourself. You don't need to have that hot water. I didn't show you exactly how oily it was, but this is your tool, so you don't need to use dishwashing liquid. As you can see, it becomes squeaky clean. And here's the fruit. With fruit with this, and again, you do not need to use any dishwashing liquid. In fact, you can wash fruit and vegetables with this water, and you do not need to use vegetable wash as well.